Education is a respectful accomplishment of learning, wise and hopeful, undertaken in the belief that everyone should have the chance to share in life. The teacher must ensure that everyone is learning, no one left behind in having a proper education, especially those students with intellectual disabilities. Hi, this is Shirley Borromeo of BEd 4A, and I would like to present to you our action research entitled Jolly Buddy, a proposed self-learning kit for students with intellectual disabilities of Bustos Elementary School. This study is an offshoot of another study conducted by Dr. Denia Mauricio Clasio of BSU Meneses campus. Her study recommended that the Department of Education may also focus on developing an appropriate curriculum for each disability. These plans may also be accompanied by a variety of low-cost and indigenous strategic intervention materials suited for the special needs of the learners. The researchers want to find out how the self-learning kit will be developed. What will be the perception of the evaluators in terms of content, equity and accessibility, assessment, presentation and organization, instructional design and support, and replicability. And finally, if there is a change in behavior of the student before and after the use of the self-learning kit. The respondent of the study is the 10 intellectual disability student of Bustos Elementary School. Unfortunately, the respondent is unreachable due to our current situation brought by the COVID-19 pandemic. Instead, the researchers conducted an evaluation from a special education teacher of Bustos Elementary School, guidance counselor representative, and a teacher from BSU Bustos campus. The researchers used the DepEd rating scale for strategic intervention materials from Learning Resource Management Developing System. The self-learning kit got an overall average score of 2.75 by using mean as the statistical treatment and interpreted as very satisfactory. Based on the problem of the study, the self-learning kit should be written in English language, for this is the medium of instruction used by the therapist and the teacher of the student. Lesser unrelated graphics. Instead, use real-world photos, for this is helpful for the student to learn faster. Use a specific direction so that the student can follow the question. And create an interactive activity because the student can learn more when they are manipulating things. Based on the result of the study and the conclusion drawn, the researchers recommended to incorporate pertinent information about the topic to make a kit that is more suited for them. Watch a video of a student similar to the topic to observe their action and skills. Divide the topic skills into simple and manageable topics and assessment. And now, I would like to present to you the hard copy of our self-learning kit to emphasize the enhancement and modification that the researchers made to make this kit an interactive one. First is we use English language as a medium of instruction for this kit. Second is we use lesser graphics to avoid confusion. And the third accommodation, based on the research, children with intellectual disabilities can learn more when they are manipulating things. That is why in the Activity 1, the researchers use a Velcro to let the student get the answer and paste into the box, like this. Example, the researchers use a yarn. The student will roll the yarn in the button attached here to show their answer, like this. With this kind of enhancement and modification, the student got more engaged in the activity and in the self-learning. And that is the full scale of our action research. Thank you for watching. God bless us all.